Hey everybody, it's Kevin from 3D Printed Props. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I printed, painted, and assembled Mr. Terrific's T-Sphere from the new Superman movie. Now you can buy the file and print out your very own T-Sphere. Just head over to 3dprintedprops.com. Below you will see a link to it and a coupon code, and there'll be a list of everything I used in this build. They are affiliate links. If you click on them, I get a little bit of cash, and I use it to buy more stuff to do more videos. So, I love the new Superman movie. I'm a huge James Gunn fan. I thought it was fantastic. I'm going to say better than Fantastic Four. So I really dug the movie. I like Mr. Terrific. I've read a lot of his comics for a long time. If you don't know, if you haven't listened to any of the videos, I'm a huge comic book fan, a horror movie fan, but definitely comics. I've been collecting since I was a kid. And I just always thought he was a really interesting character. And I love the idea of these T-spheres. And they looked so cool in the movie. They really... they changed them from in the comic, made them a lot more complex looking, and I just thought they had a really cool, iconic look to the character, and I thought it would be a fun thing to build. It is a relatively easy print. There's a lot of parts to make it easier to paint. I made a bunch of mistakes doing this, and we'll talk about that, but in the end, I'm really happy with how it came out. Let's go ahead, behind the fake wall, and I'll show you how I did it. So I printed these off on my Hey Gears with Ceratech resin. Yes, you can use different resins with Hey Gears printers. And you can see the way this was modeled, it is in a lot of different parts. Easy to paint. But again, you got to do some work, got to do some sanding. Always be sanding. ABS, always be sanding. We always sand a lot with 3D printing, and you know, it's not fun, but it's necessary. So this is easy because it's a flat surface, so I can just go ahead and keep sanding this down until you finally get a nice smooth surface so that they sit as close together as possible. And then use some rasps to get into some tricky areas. These things are always handy to have. Everything I use is in the description below. You can pick those up. They are affiliate links. And you go up to 400 with these, and you can see how there's a lot of dust in there. So I use a toothbrush in the sink with some soap and water. Now I've painted these all up, and they are looking pretty sharp. Fairly simple color scheme, black, white, red, and gold, but they look really cool. Now you can see these little tiny parts. This is so you can paint these up and not have to be going crazy with a little tiny brush. I went ahead and glued these up and went ahead and said, well, that's not going to work. You didn't print out the pins. It does come with pins to help align it, but I used a vise. I would recommend that anyway, just because it'll hold it as tight as possible. I test fit that in to make sure it was going to fit, and then I went ahead and started popping these in. They, with a little bit of sanding on the sides, they really go in there pretty well. I didn't even use glue for, I would say, 95% of these, because you really gave them a nice push and they friction fit in. Same thing with this. Had to get a little bit more of a push and a little bit of sanding, but man, it popped right in. Really happy with the fit of this. And then I went ahead and put in the gold pieces, and again, popped right in. Some of these were actually too loose, and I had to use glue. So I was really pleased with the tolerances of the printer. You know, sometimes you're going to have to sand more, sometimes you're going to have to sand less. Yes, I'm missing two pieces. I dropped them. I could not find them anywhere. It drove me crazy. It was one of the first things that really started to irk me working on this. Now I snipped some of those edges away and sanded this down so I can make sure this fit in well. Test fit it in there before I glued it, and yeah, fit in there really well, looked sharp. The black looks nice, and now I'm going to be gluing things up. Now this is where I start making mistakes. You know, I'm not being careful. My hands have glue in them. I'm using a paper towel, which puts glue on the piece, and you could see those fingerprints. And now I'm using gloves. Too late. But I'm going to use epoxy sculpt to fill this void. Now, if your printer's got like really great tolerances, or you know, it's almost impossible to get these things to line up perfectly right off the bat, print-wise, just because, you know, things warp, things don't go correctly, and I decided I was just going to fill this with the epoxy sculpt and use this foot sander to really clean it up. And of course I did go over with another some 400, taped things up and gave it another shot of the gloss black, And man, even though I made some mistakes and it's not perfect, I'm still really, really happy with how this thing looks. So yeah, I made some mistakes working on this. The biggest mistake was trying to work with a sense, I was rushing. I have a lot of projects I'm working on, got a lot of family stuff going on, I've got some reviews of some things I have to do for the channel, and I set a time frame for this that I wanted to have done by, and it wasn't realistic, and I was just rushing it. And so I was touching things when they were wet, I was not being careful, and in the end, I'm happy with how it came out. It could look a lot cleaner, but I'm happy with it. It'll look nice up on the shelf. Do I wish it was a little bit neater? Yes. But you know what? In the end, I really kind of wanted to just have one of these because they looked cool. So nothing's going to be perfect, but yeah, I should have taken my time a little bit with it. But in the end, I'm still really, really happy with it. It's a cool file. It was super easy to print and assemble, and I just dig how it looks. I mean, it's a really cool looking prop from a really fun movie. And again, if you want to print one of these out, head over to 3D Printed Props, download the files, print it out, and finish it up yourself. I'd love to see them. Put them up on Instagram and tag me. I'd love to see stuff that everybody's working on. Guys, I want to thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. These are really fun to do, and I just like sharing things I'm working on. All right, take it easy, and have a great day.